Good morning, children. This is your English literature textbook. Okay, children, we are going to start the second part of lesson 1, Tansen, the magical musician. Okay, children, earlier we have studied that there was a famous musician, Tansen. In the center of Gwalior, there was a beautiful carved stone tomb of Tansen, and beside it was a tamarind tree. Okay, and people believe that if someone eat the leaf of this tree and touch the tomb, can improve his voice and become good singer. So by touching what they think that they are getting blessing from this tomb, the famous musician Tansen. Okay, and here Tansen, the story of Tansen starts that about 400 years ago there lived a wealthy poet Mukund Mishra. एक wealthy poet रहते थे Mukund Mishra with his wife. Though they were wealthy, इतने wealthy थे, they didn't have their own child. उनको अपना बच्चा खुद का बच्चा नहीं था. So one of his friends' suggestion, Mukund Mishra went to get blessing from the famous saint musician Mohammed Ghaus और ब्लेसिंग पाने के लिए कि हमें पुत्र प्राप्ति के लिए ब्लेसिंग आशीर्वाद पाने के लिए मोहम्मद गौस के पास जाते हैं. After his blessing, a child was born and they named him Tansen. As Tansen grew up, his father hired or appointed teacher to teach him to read and write. But Tansen was interested in going to nearby forest and imitate. Imitate means copy the birds and animals' sound. So, while he was in the forest, what did he see? What did he saw? He saw that there a group of singers was passing through the forest. So Tansen hid and made a sound of a tiger, which made the singers frightened. When the leader saw Tansen, he called him and encouraged him to imitate some more sound of birds and animals. And when Tansen imitated some sounds of birds and animals, seeing this, he was so impressed. He was so impressed by the Tansen performance and he went to his father and suggested his father that he has a great musical talent, and after his parent permission, he took him to Brindavan to study under Haridas and he taught him a musical ragas. Okay, children, move to the next para. For almost 10 years, Tansen studied music from Haridas. Starting with the basic musical notes Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, he learnt the basics of singing and playing the tanpura. He learnt about the different ragas of Indian music and how each raga creates a different mood. A raga can make you so happy that you might want to dance, or it can make you so sad that it might bring tears to your eyes. Okay, children, what happened? For almost 10 years, Tansen studied music from Haridas. Okay, he started to learn basics of singing and playing Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa with his first instrument, Tanpura. So he started to learn different ragas. Ragas means traditional pattern of notes used in Indian music. And he also learned that how each and every ragas create a moods. Okay. Ragas speciality, raga की quality थी कि raga can make you so happy that you might want to dance करने का मन करने लगे, और it can make you so sad that it bring tears to your eyes. और राग जब छिड़ते थे तो इतने अच्छे जब होते थे, जब खुशी वाले होते, हैप्पी वाले होते थे, तो ऐसा मन करता था कि मन झूम उठे, नाच उठे. और कुछ सैड वाले जो रागास होते थे तो इतने दुख भरे होते थे कि आंखों से आंसू भी निकल जाता था. और ऐसे रागास वो हरिदास के अंडर म्यूजिक रहकर म्यूजिक सीखने लगे. Okay. Okay, children, move to the next para. Then one day there was a message from home that his father was very ill. I am happy that you have become a musician. Go and see Muhammad Ghaus, were his father's last words to him. Though very sad, Tansen decided to keep his promise to his father to go to Muhammad Ghaus and be trained by him. But in keeping with Indian tradition, he went to seek permission to learn under a new guru from his first guru, Haridas. You must obey your father's wishes, but you will always be welcome here. You are like a son to me, said Haridas, blessing his favorite disciple. So children, what happened? One day Tansen got a message that his father is ill. So he reached home, and what did he see? That his father is at his last stage and he is about to die. So his father told his last words to Tansen that I am happy that you have become a musician, but I wanted you to go and see Muhammad Ghaus. So after his father's death, Tansen was very sad, but he decided to keep his father's promise to go Muhammad Ghaus and train by him. But the tradition was that if you are learning under one teacher, you have to take permission to go to another teacher. So firstly, Tansen went to Haridas and told about his father's last wish and asked permission to go to Muhammad Ghaus. So Haridas blessed his favorite disciple, and disciple means Shishya, and let him go to learn under Muhammad Ghaus. He told, you are like my son and you are always welcomed. Okay.